and welcome to all viewers who have opted to watch today's episode of our weekly magazine program, Youth Folio. In our episode today, we shall show you views of people on news of the land, features, sports, job vacancies and lots more. We will start off with reportage on a happy festival from Nagaland. Keep tuned to this channel.
Sangtam tribe of Nagaland celebrates Mong Mong festival. National seminar on Assam Accord held in New Delhi. Huge consignment of drugs seized from train in Guwahati. Quiz on Swachh Bharat campaign held in Manipur. Schools reopen in Manipur. Protests for and against ILP continue. Social worker from Arunachal Pradesh, Padma Shri Bini Yanga is no more. The Mong Mong festival of the Sangtam tribe of Nagaland was a colourful and very enjoyable fair full of songs, dances, sports, and traditional yodeling. Chief Minister Shri T.R. Zeliang was the chief guest at the mega event organized at the DDSC Stadium of Dimapur by the Sangtam People's Dimapur District. Speaking at the celebration, Nagaland Legislative Assembly Speaker Choti Susazo said Nagas required unity for greater interest of the Nagas. He called upon Nagas to unite, stop fighting between tribes and form a common platform in order to bring about permanent peace to the land.
Let us try to unite ourselves for the greater interests of the Nagas. We all know that the Naga Peace Accord has been signed between Government of India and one of the Naga political groups. We welcome this signing of the accord. However, the details of the framework are yet to come out. It is therefore up to the Nagas whether we want a permanent solution or a temporary solution. If we want to have a permanent and an honorable solution, then Nagas must unite together.
The singing during the event was superlative. The occasion showcased the Sangtam style of daily life, including log carrying, hair cutting, distribution and drinking of rice beer together as a community in harmony, planting of crops along with singing, traditional style of weaving after making threads from cotton, and dancing to express joy. Several dances were put up. Many traditional games were also played, with people having much fun together. The people expressed their hopes and aspirations from the peace accord. A national seminar on 30 years of Assam Accord, issues, challenges and implementation was held in New Delhi's Constitution Club recently. Home Minister Shri Rajnath Singh lit the inaugural lamp of this most important discussion for the state of Assam. The Honorable Home Minister called the demand for implementation of the accord most genuine and said that the government is doing its utmost to stop illegal immigration.
बॉर्डर की विजिट के लिए मैं स्वयं जाऊंगा ताकि यह मैं देख सकूं कि कहां-कहां पर लूप होल्स हैं और उन लूप होल्स को कैसे दूर किया जा सकता है। और साथ ही हमारे आसू के जो लीडर्स हैं उनके साथ बैठकर क्या असम एकॉर्ड के इंप्लीमेंटेशन में कमियां रह गई हैं, उन कमियों को दूर करने के लिए उनके जो सुझाव होंगे उनके साथ बैठकर मैं उनका भी सुझाव आमंत्रित करूंगा और असम एकॉर्ड का प्रॉपर इंप्लीमेंटेशन हो पाए, इसके लिए मैं अपनी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगा। मैं आपको यह विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं।
Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal, urged for tripartite talks between the central government, state government of Assam and all Assam Students Union or ASU on the issue.
हमारे माननीय केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री से दरखास्त करता हूं, आपने जैसे व्यक्त किया कि अगले कम दिनों में ऑल असम स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन का साथ केंद्रीय सरकार की तरफ से और राज्य सरकार की उपस्थिति में एक त्रिपाक्षिक टॉक होना बहुत जरूरी है और मुझे विश्वास है आप जल्द ही जल्द इस विषय पर कदम उठाएंगे। और दूसरी उनका मांग यही है, उनका आग्रह है कि आपकी तरफ से आसू का डेलीगेशन को साथ लेते हुए इंडो बांग्ला बॉर्डर जल्द विजिट हो जाए। और तीसरी सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है, असमिया लोगों का अभी जो शंका पैदा हुआ है, क्योंकि ये जो घुसपैठियों की वजह से असमिया लोगों का अपना जमीन, अपने मुल्क के हुकूमत के विषय पर शंका पैदा हुआ है, इसलिए असमिया लोगों को बराक ब्रह्मपुत्र उपत्यका में जो भी हमारे ग्रेटर असमी सोसाइटी है, उनके लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सेफगार्ड का व्यवस्था किया जाए।
Speaking on the sides, ASU advisor Samujjal Bhattacharya demanded for speedy time-bound implementation of the accord and asked the government to commit a time for the same.
Assam Accord is not yet implemented. Why? The Indo-Bangla border is porous, the illegal Bangladeshis is not yet detected, their names are not deleted, they are not deported. We are not getting any constitutional safeguard as per Assam Accord. There is no all-round economic development as per Assam Accord. There is no National Institute on Science and Technology as per Assam Accord. Tribal bales and blocks were not protected. So why this injustice? A peaceful accord is not yet implemented in 30 years. So we are coming to Delhi to seek justice.
The same was urged upon by former Chief Election Commissioner H.S. Brahma. Minister of State for Home Affairs Shri Kiran Rijiju said that citizens of Assam too must remain vigilant against illegal immigration.
It is not the government alone. It is the awareness of the citizen also plays a crucial role. If the citizens are not aware, what can politicians do? That is why I don't want to isolate this responsibility part. It is the responsibility of all the political parties and every citizen of Assam.
The thriving drug trade in the northeast again came to the fore with the arrest at Guwahati railway station of one Adit Shah of Manipur, who was carrying 1.5 kilograms of morphine, estimated to be around rupees 1 crore in the grey market, on the Howrah-bound Kamrup Express. The arrest and seizure of drugs and the carrier were made by the government railway police. The culprit Adit has confessed that he was a carrier for a person in Manipur who offered him rupees 35,000 for the job of carrying the drugs to Kolkata. The police was tipped by co-passengers and the GRP has requested train passengers to be alert and inform at 1512 in case they suspect any mischief on trains in the future also.
हम सुबह तलाशी लिया था हर ट्रेन को। कामरूप एक्सप्रेस में हम जब ये चेकिंग किया तो ये लड़का को हमको मिला है और उस संडे का ऊपर में हम उसका बैग तलाशी लिया तो हम कुछ पैकेट मिला है। पैकेट जब मिला है उसको पूछा था, उसी टाइम में वो बोला है ये मॉर्फिन है, कानी है। और तब तो ये नारकोटिक्स ड्रग हो गया, तो हम उसको उतार के इधर में हम अभी सीज कर रहा हूँ अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ। यह मार्केट प्राइस है इसका केजी 70-80 लाख रुपया, तो कुल मिला के करीब 1 करोड़ रुपया का ये सामान है।